In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate reports in Mixpanel. If you want to make a copy of an existing report without changing the original, this is a quick and useful feature to know. Duplicating a report can save you time, especially if you want to reuse the same setup and then make small edits to the copy afterward. It's a simple process, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. To get started, go to your board in Mixpanel. This is where your reports are displayed, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right board before moving forward. If you manage multiple reports or work with different dashboards, checking this first can help you avoid duplicating the wrong one. Once you're on the board, find the report that you want to duplicate. Look through the available reports carefully and make sure you've selected the correct one. This is especially helpful if you have reports with similar names or layouts. After you've located the report, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the report, additional options should become visible. This is a common design pattern in Mixpanel, so if you don't see the menu right away, just make sure your cursor is directly over the report card or tile. Next, click the three-dot icon. This opens the report's options menu, where you'll find actions related to that specific report. The three-dot menu is often used for more settings and management tools, so this is where you'll usually go when you want to modify, organize, or copy something. From that menu, choose Duplicate. As soon as you click it, Mixpanel will create a copy of the report for you. That's it. The report has now been duplicated. At this point, you should see the copied version appear in your board. From there, you can open it and make any changes you need while keeping the original report untouched. This is useful if you want to test a different version of a report, customize it for another use case, or simply create a backup before making edits. So again, the process is simple. Go to your board, locate the report you want, hover over it, click the three-dot icon, and select Duplicate. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature, and that's how to duplicate reports in Mixpanel.